All over the world, animals live and grow. Sounds they make it fun to imitate.
Let's go to Africa. There's a lion. Roar, roar. Oh, there's an elephant. Roar, roar. There's a monkey. Now let's go to Asia. There's a giant panda. What? There's an Indian cobra. Let's go to Europe. There's a tree frog.
Ribbit, rabbit,
There's a dormouse.
squeak, squeak.
Squeak, squeak. Let's go to South America. There's a tanlin.
Eat.
There's a macaw bird.
Caw.
Now let's go to North America. There's a grizzly bear. There's an owl.
Woo.
There's a bird.
Tweet.
Now let's go to Antarctica. There's a walrus.
Roar.
There's a seal. Now let's go to Australia. There's a dingo.
Wow.
There's a kangaroo.
Newt.
Now wasn't that fun? Now that's all right.
All over the world, animals live and grow. Sounds they make it fun to imitate.